Hello, YouTube. It's been a while. Let's have a chat. I don't even know where to start this video. I feel like looking back, there have been two pauses in my channel. One was when I felt like my content was going in a direction that I just could not get behind. So I needed to take a break. And this last break felt very, not similar in the unboxings and all of that, but in the place where social media has become our lives. So I decided to take a break. I decided to close down my Patreon. So this is not a ploy. This is not saying, hey, come join me over on Patreon, because there isn't one. I closed everything down. I tried to return to Instagram last week and then deleted everything that I posted. I am in a state of hibernation. And I'm filming this video because I want to document this journey of taking back my life, taking back my power, remembering who I am and why I felt compelled to share in the first place all those years ago, and to give you permission to share the real things or not share at all. Like, I was tired of having to sneak away on family vacation to film videos as a content creator, whether that be for YouTube, whether that be Instagram, whether that be for Patreon, whether that be for my one-on-one client, people that I was going back and forth with. I needed to take a break. And that's what this season is for me. I'm doing some spring cleaning, and I would love to have you join me. Let's spring clean all the things. Starting with, where are we spending our time? And do we want to be spending our time in those places? Then we move to houses. Then we move to our bodies. Like, let's peel back the layers of everything. Let's cleanse our friendships. Are there people you're spending time with that you don't really want to be spending time with? You're just saying yes because you feel like you should? Are you writing a certain book or a certain novel or participating in this or that? Like, are you doing things that do not light you up because that's what you need to be doing to market, to make money, to XYZ? If the answer is yes, and that's okay with you, that is totally fine. Different people have different lives, different financial situations. So this is not to condemn, obviously, content creating, because I'm putting this video up. But it's a video and a ramble to say, if you peel back the layers, what is left beneath the surface? And so that's why I've been quiet. I don't know if I'm gonna, after this video, I don't know if you'll see me again in March. I don't know. I just wanted to share something so that those of you that were waiting for a video from me, I know that some of you have messaged some friends of mine asking if I'm okay. Yes, I'm okay, but I'm living my life. I am showing up in my family, and I had to make some choices. I had to surrender some things, which is so ironic, or not, because the words that choose us for the year choose us for a reason. And my word for 2024 is wild and fearless surrender. So there's a lot of surrendering happening in my life, starting with social media and Patreon and content creating and even writing. I'm letting everything go and I'm starting over. I'm doing some spring cleaning. So I know this is a short video, but I wanted to leave you with this and ask you, what in your life right now, in this very moment, do you feel needs some spring cleaning? Is it your body, the food you're putting into your body? Is it your household? Do you literally need to fill garbage bags full of clothing and donate them? Do you need to spring clean your Instagram followers and following? Do you need to unfollow? Do you need to start over? Do you need to, like, what right now in this very moment do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel going into spring? How do you feel with it being March and the goals you created in January? Do you feel on a high? Do you feel like you're winning? Do you feel like you're pulled in so many directions that something has to happen and you just have no control? How do you feel? And if it's not the way you want to feel, what can you do about it? What can you detox? This is a time of detox in my life in regards to all the things. And so I invite you to join me. And let's see where this takes us. Until next time, enjoy your wild, sexy lives.